In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Hootsuite. This process is straightforward yet essential for maintaining the security of your account. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring that each instruction is clear and easy for you to follow along. First things first, you'll want to open up a web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you prefer using. Once you've got your browser open, head on over to Hootsuite.com. It's important that you navigate directly to the official website to ensure the security of your login credentials. Now let's log into your Hootsuite account. You'll see a login page where you'll need to enter your credentials, the email and password associated with your account. Once you're in, take a look up towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or perhaps even your name. Click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find options such as My Profile or Account Settings. Choose either one of these. They generally lead you to the same area for managing your account preferences and security settings. Once you're in your account settings, look for a section dedicated to security. This is often labeled as Security or Password in these platforms. Once you spot it, give it a click. This is where you can update your password, a crucial step for maintaining account security, especially if you have any reason to believe it may have been compromised, or if you simply can't remember the last time you changed it. You're now at the point where you can enter a new password. But before that, you'll need to input your current password. This is an added security measure to ensure that your account modifications are truly authorized by you. After entering your current password, it's time to create a new one. Be sure to choose something secure, ideally a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've settled on a new password, type it in again to confirm you've got it right. Now that you've filled out all the necessary information, it's time to apply these changes. Look for a button that says Save or Update Password. Click that and give the system a moment to process your request. If everything has been entered correctly, a confirmation message should appear, letting you know that your password update was successful. This message is your cue that you're all set and your account is more secure than ever. And there you have it, your password on Hootsuite has now been successfully updated. Remember, regularly updating your passwords is a key component in safeguarding your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you keep your account as secure as possible.